Paul, I would love to bring it back to this idea around budgeting. We talked about budgeting for training.
Yep.
How do you budget for and plan for the unexpected? Because that's often the realm that we deal with in the maintenance reliability space.
Yeah, I don't like stuff to sneak up on me. I think that's why I like doing some of the sort of condition assessment stuff like oil analysis and vibration, because it gives you a heads up on things. And if you can see it coming, you can sort of plan for it and ask for money for it in advance instead of, oh, hey, that pump just broke and we didn't have any heads up it was going to break. And then once you get, a quote back on how much it's going to cost to fix it, it's like, I don't have enough line items in my budget this year to cover that. Like, I don't want those sort of problems to happen. So I try to budget enough that we can do enough preventive sort of maintenance and sort of condition assessment on different things to see where things are at, as I really don't like surprises, especially big, expensive equipment failing. And we have enough redundancy, we can get around it, but still when something breaks, you have to address it. And so I don't put a lot of fluff in my budget. I usually am under budget every year for what I've put in, but kind of about the same year to year. It really doesn't change a whole lot.
Yeah. So I think what I'm hearing is that's a real reason to move towards condition monitoring, is so that you can be more predictive and prescriptive with your budget for next year. So that you can predict failures, predict the amount of replacements that you need before it actually, fires come up within your facility.
Right. And if you're operating the equipment with the way it was designed and you're maintaining it the way that it was intended to be maintained, if it's designed right and operated right, you should be able to expect a decent life out of most equipment. It doesn't always work out that way, but in general, the better you treat the equipment, the better it'll run for you. And so I have to say, over the years, I've really come to appreciate engineers, especially in the utilities industry, because a lot of times you really don't think about them, like I'll pour a glass of water and drink it, but I really don't think of the engineering that went into the plant or the collector well system that we have, or the treatment processes or technology. In fact, most people don't think of all that stuff. It's like, I just turn on the tab, get some water, do whatever with it. And you really don't think of all that. And maybe you shouldn't have to, but I don't know. I'm always thankful of at least the industry I work in. So.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, that's the work that you guys do at the water treatment facility.